everyone. So today we're going to solve a problem on basic electrical engineering. So we have here a case 1, case 2, and case 3. So we have a given of 2 ohms for R1, R2 5 ohms, R3 10 ohms, and RS 4 ohms. We have here 2 voltages. The first one is the 12 volts and the second one is 24 volts. So to solve for case 1, we're going to use the formula of R total is equals to 1 over resistance. So we have the R total is equals to 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL. So substitute the values 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 to negative 1 is equals to 20 over 9 ohms or 2.2 ohms. So to get the R1 total, so we're going to use the formula of R1 plus R5. So substitute 2 plus 2.22 is equals to 4.22 ohms. So to get for our voltage total, we're going to use the formula I1 multiplied by R total. To substitute 1 times 20 over 9 is equals to 2.22 volts. So for I2, we're going to use the voltage total over resistance 2. So substitute 2.22 over 5 is equals to 0.24 amps. So for I3, same process, VT over R3 is equals to 2.22 over 10 is equals to 0.22 amps. For RL, same process also, but we're going to change the resistance to RL. So substitute 2.22 over 4 is equals to 0.555 amps. So for our case 2, we're going to open the closed one here. So we have the 2 ohms, 5 ohms, 12 volts, 10 ohms, and 4 ohms. So we're going to use the R3L is equals to 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL to negative 1. So substitute 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 to negative 1 is equals to 20 over 7 ohms or 2.86 ohms. Same with R total is equals to 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3L to negative 1. Substitute 1 over 5 plus 7 over 20 to negative 1 is equals to 20 over 11 or 1.22 ohms. For current voltage 1, we're going to use the voltage 1 over resistance total. So substitute 12 over 20 over 11 is equals to 20 over 20 or 3.3 amps. So for R2, we're going to use the formula of I voltage 1 multiplied by R3L over R2 plus R3L. To substitute the values, 3.3 multiplied by 70 over 7 divided by 5 plus 20 over 7 is equals to 1.98 amps. So for our I3L, we're going to use the formula of I voltage 1 minus I2. Substitute 3.3 minus 1.98 is equals to 1.32 amps. For I3 is equals to I3L multiplied by RL over R3 plus R3L. So substitute 1.32 multiplied by 4 over 10 multiplied by 4 is equals to 0.38 amps. Same with the IL, we're going to use the I3L multiplied by I3 over R3 plus RL is equals to 1.32 multiplied by 10 over 14 is equals to 0.24 amps. So for our case 3, we have your value of 2 ohms, 5 ohms, 10 ohms, and so in case 2, we open the voltage here. So in case 3, we're going to close it and open the other one. So they differ volts and RL is equals to 4. So we're going to use the formula R3L is equals to 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL raised to negative 1. Substitute 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 to negative 1 is equals to 20 over 7 ohms. So for our total, since this is series, so we're going to use the R total is equals to R2 plus R2L is equals to substitute 5 plus 20 over 7 is equals to 55 over 7 ohms. So for our current voltage 2, we're going to use the formula voltage 2 over R total. So substitute 24 over 55 over 7 is equals to 168 over 55 or 3.05 amps. So for our current load, it is also equals to current voltage load, which is 2.05 amps. Same with our IPL, is equals to I2 or 3.05 amps. So that's all for today's problem.